Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has called on KCC to pay up 3 months of debt owed to farmers. Gachagua, who was speaking in EMBU County during the EMBU Dairy, Livestock and Fisheries exhibition, applauded small farmers for their determination, urging other farmers to join in the bandwagon. Gracious Oganda has the details.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, who was in EMBU earlier today to oversee the Dairy, Livestock and Fisheries exhibition, commended small-scale farmers for their determination. He encouraged them to start small and grow their dairy businesses. Additionally, Gachagua issued a one-week ultimatum to Kenya Cooperative Creameries (KCC) to pay debts owed to the farmers who sold their milk to them. He also attributed the high prices of fertilizers to the former government policy.
Nitamwambia waziri na watu ya new KCC, wale watu wameleta maziwa katika new KCC hawajalipwa miezi 3, by next week pesa yao ikuwe imefika. Serikali iliyokuweko ilikuwa imewachilia wakulima. Bolea ilikuwa imetoka shilingi 7,000 kwa 50 kg. Na rais ameingia, tumengangana, tumeteremusha, tunapoongea ni 2,500.
EMBU Governor Cecily Mbarire noted that only 33% of produce is sold formally, with the majority sold informally, which poses a challenge. Additionally, she mentioned that 2% of milk is lost in production. Mbarire also outlined the measures taken by the national government and the county government to improve dairy farming.
In pursuit of progress, we must also confront the challenges of milk losses. Currently, we are losing about 2% of our total milk produced. Some of the interventions include, Your Excellency, capacity building. Tumekuwa tukisomesha wakulima wa maziwa katika cooperatives zao. Tuko na project ambazo tumekuwa tunafanya that are funded by the county government.
The chairman of Kenya Dairy Board, Genesio Mungo, said that the government has put up measures to deal with illegal importation of powdered milk, which has been a competition to the local dairy farmers.
Today, you will not find a single bottle of powdered milk imported illegally. And we want to tell the nation, we are firm, we are clear through His Excellency Directive and support. We will not allow anything that is going to eat into the market of our farmers.
Kennedy, who is a farmer, has acknowledged the government's role in standardization of milk prices so that farmers can get a fair deal. He spoke of the challenges facing farmers, including the high cost of livestock feeds.
Your Excellency, the production cost still remains very high at the farm level, considering the cost of inputs that we are getting. Some of us, an example at Mburugu, who are doing feeds, have had to incur a lot in terms of producing the milk.
EMBU youth have been urged to practice dairy farming in order to earn a living. Gracious Oganda, KUTV.